Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on XRP, your daily updates on XRP. In this video we actually have quite a lot to talk about as well technically, so it's going to be an interesting video, it's going to be a nice video. Yeah, let's talk about it. I mean, we've had some bearish pressure for XRP over the last 24 hours. We knew this was a possibility. I have to say though, I mean, obviously, look, in all my videos, what I try to do is I try to keep you, I try to prepare you as well as possible for all different scenarios, right? So in my videos, I also talked about the possibility of a bullish breakout, but I do think we spoke a little bit more, especially the last couple of days, or this week, about a potential bearish breakout, and that's what we got. But I have to be honest here and say that the aggressiveness at which we got a bearish breakdown was more than I expected. I mean, you can see the volume was actually pretty high, like it was the highest since that we've seen since last week, which sounds a bit strange to say because obviously that's not that long, but it was quite aggressive, right? We got some high volume coming in, and right now we are in a major support level, and I have bought XRP. I bought XRP actually right here, so that was a great buy at the time. At this point of time, I'm near break even, so that is in full transparency. That's my positioning. I have bought XRP. What we saw yesterday is this, right? So you saw a three drive pattern here. With the volume also making lower highs, so that's usually a great sign, especially if it's into the 382 fib. But then we tested those lows again this morning and actually made lower lows, which in my opinion is not great news. But now we still have a major support level right here at 3.12, 3.11. That's the main support level at the 382 fib, and that's also the main level that we need to reclaim over the course of today, right? Because obviously, look, on the 4-hour time frame, we have lost the uptrend. So I think it's unlikely that we're going to make new highs from here. I think it's more likely now that we are going to consolidate for a bit. But a consolidation is not bad, all right? And a consolidation can also turn into a new trend quite quickly. But we do need to confirm that consolidation. I mean, the selling pressure, like I said, has been quite strong, has been quite aggressive. So now we need to see a bullish confirmation. And I don't think, look, I think the bounce we got after that 3 drive pattern was a bit of mean reversion, and now we need to reclaim that level right here at 3.1 and at 3.14. And if we're able to do that, right, so that is by far the most important key level for me today. If we're able to do that, I think a consolidation is secured, and I think we can also get a move into this major imbalance we have at 3.4, which is my main price target for my long. And then once we hit that level, based on the reaction there and based on the fundamentals around the markets, we'll talk about whether we can actually break out of that or not. For now, I would assume, unless we get some very, very strong momentum, I would assume that that we will reclaim. I do think we'll reclaim. I'm long, obviously I do. I think we'll get into 3.4, 3.35, but from there, I expect stability, all right? I think a little bit of stability is good here, and I think stability is also a little bit more likely after breaking the 4-hour uptrend. And then eventually I think we can actually break out again and rally up higher, but that for now is placed a little bit later. But those are my thoughts. So like I said, it's absolutely crucial we reclaim that level at 3.15, 3.1. That area, it's a pretty big area, I know, but still, reclaim that, hold that over the course of today, and then and then we're fine, and we can consolidate. And this was the local bottom, and then from that consolidation, I would say on the larger time frames, I'd say that's good as well. But that's what I think you need to know. For now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.